I'm using the hide glue even to glue the dots in, because that's how they were originally glued into the guitar. After leveling this fingerboard, most of the dots were intact. Here, the double dot at the 12th. It has some cracks in it, so we're going to replace it. So what I did was I found a drill bit that is exactly the right diameter. I drilled a hole through this just to sort of double check. I put a little dab of super glue on the end of the drill bit that I drilled that hole with, and then I have this slightly oversized dot. I'm going to actually turn that down to the proper diameter. When it's flush with the drill bit, we know we got the right diameter. Put that drill bit in reverse with that little dot on there, and now we'll just flush that up with the drill bit, and we've got a perfect fit. Another little dab of hide glue. When that sets, there'll be next to no sanding at all. And that's my setup with the Bosch Colt router. I have those plates I got made up for the level 2 students. With the Bosch Colt, I've got a full horsepower to cut that slot nice and clean. I mentioned too that these hockey pucks that I use as riser blocks for the router plate, they're actually radius. I radius the bottom side. Just because this top had such a high radius, I wanted to get nice, even contact. You're really relying on that engineered rubber of the hockey pucks to give you 100% traction, 0 compression. We've smoothed out that replacement dot. Now we can get on with the fret job.